Hello everyone, and welcome to our new video where today we're going to be checking out the top 5 best air conditioners in the market in 2018. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to find out the price and more information about these air conditioners, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Mr. Cool Do-It-Yourself 24,000 BTU air conditioner. The Mr. Cool Do-It-Yourself series is a Wi-Fi enabled and easy to install conditioner due to the fact that it includes a ductless mini split system, which means that you don't have to be a professional in order to set it up properly. Since we are talking about a product that is Wi-Fi enabled, it means that you will have a more convenient operation by using your smart device. All you have to do is just download the application that is compatible with any iOS and Android device, and you can start controlling the conditioner from anywhere you want. Moreover, there are plenty of useful features, so let's start talking about them. The low ambient cooling feature is really effective when it comes to server rooms or for other places where the cooling is needed across the whole year, so you will really benefit a lot from it. You don't have to worry about a power outage either, because Mr. Cool will auto restart and start working immediately when the electricity comes back. But what makes it so good is that it offers a huge amount of safety, so you will always be notified if there is a leakage. This is due to the leakage detection system, which will notify you of any occurring problem while preventing any undesired damage to happen to the compressor, so you can always be comfortable and enjoy a worry-free time with it. In addition, this air conditioner has 24,000 BTU of power, which means that it wouldn't take long in order to cool your room, but this doesn't mean that the electricity bills are going to be expensive. You can take an advantage of the sleep mode, which will let you sleep without getting distracted, but also let you program the device so it will consume only the needed amount of electricity to work properly. I also want to mention that due to the included gold fin condenser, the conditioner will stay durable and it won't corrode, so you can use it for a longer period of time. Overall, this model is worthy of considering, so if you ever decide to purchase it, you will assure yourself of its enormous potential. Next up, at number 4 we have the Cosman air conditioner. Cosman is known for their products, and once again, they have proven that they know how to craft an incredibly good conditioner that has everything needed to provide you quality cooling and long years of usage. This model surpassed the ETL testing to all of the North American standards, so from the very beginning, you already know that you can go wrong if you ever choose this option. What makes it so special is its versatility. So, it is capable of heating and cooling, as well as delivering dehumidification and ventilation, so you can use it based on what you want to have at one particular moment. In addition, it has 18,000 BTU of power, which means that regardless of your house or room space, it can effectively cool a huge space without any problem, and maybe that's why people love this air conditioner that much. It doesn't take long to install it either, thanks to the included installation kit, which will exclude you from the need to hire professionals, since you can do it by yourself. I also want to mention that you should take an advantage of the remote controller, which is pretty straightforward, so you can make various adjustments for finding your optimal dose of cooling. You can easily notice the buttons such as heat, timer on and off, quiet, dimmer, economy, as well as the button for the fan speed, so you won't be disorientated, which I found to be very useful. But that's not all. The Toshiba compressor on this air conditioner is really silent, so it won't bother you during your sleep, so you can always feel fresh when you wake up. To conclude, you should definitely take this model into serious consideration if you're looking for an energy efficient product that is powerful and reasonably priced as well. At number 3, we have the Senvile SenL12CD. The SenL12CD is one of the best and most affordable options in the market that is manufactured by the Senville, which is a well-known Canadian brand. This model can be installed in any room while requiring minimal effort, and the result is a permanently quiet air conditioning and heating on your rooms. In addition, a really cool thing about this model is its bucket-free design, so you don't have to be around it to take off the water, which is not really a thing with other affordable conditioners. This will save you a lot of time, and of course, you won't have to change its bucket all the time. The SAN-L also uses the inverter technology and includes multi-directional air vents, which will ensure that every corner of your room will be well cooled. You can use this product during the winters without any problem too. Just set it to heat mode and it will deliver the best possible heating through your whole home. As I've stated in the beginning, this air conditioner is extremely silent, so that's a pretty good thing. This is due to its cross-flow technology, which highly reduces the noise levels without affecting the airflow's quality. As the company states, the SAN-L can cover an area up to 1000 square feet, which is surprisingly large for a product in this price range. You can also take an advantage and use a dehumidifier option that can remove up to 2 pints of moisture while assuring healthy air across your house. Thanks to the included compressor, the SAN-L doesn't consume much electricity, which saves you from paying a large amount of money for electricity bills. Before we end, I want to inform you that the included infrared remote controller is extremely responsive, so you can adjust the temperature and have a better control over the conditioner. Overall, if you're looking for a whisper quiet air conditioner that performs incredibly good for its price tag, then this is the one you're looking for. Moving on, at number 2 we have the Climair air conditioner. This product, as the ones we have previously mentioned, comes with an installation kit, remote control, and an indoor and outdoor unit, so you will be well equipped with everything needed to have your house cooled properly. This model features a 4-in-1 system, which means that it has heating, cooling, fan, and dehumidification modes, so you can set it to whatever you want. In addition, the Climair uses the DC inverter technology, which means that it will save up to 30% electricity without affecting the cooling and heating capacity. As the company states, this air conditioner can easily cool or heat an area of up to 550 square feet of space, so you can set it up to work in your office, home, or anywhere you want. Another great thing about this product is its ability to self-diagnose and display the error, so you can always be safe from any dangers. The outdoor unit is easy to access and clean, which is always a good thing since you don't have to put much effort to clean the dirt. I also want to mention that both units are extremely silent, so you won't get distracted by the noise and feel uncomfortable. There are plenty of modes of which you can take an advantage, and the LED remote control is there to help you easily customize and activate them with only a push of a button. There are modes known as feeling, turbo, self-clean, and 2-direction airflow, so you can choose the ones that suit you the best. Before we end, I would like to suggest you hire an HVAC technician in order to have the indoor and outdoor unit properly installed, since this one is harder to install. To conclude, the Climair would be a great option if you're looking for a versatile and feature-rich air conditioner that will provide effective and efficient cooling for years. To finish off our list, at number 1 we have the Pioneer 12,000 BTU air conditioner. This is one of the best sold products in the air conditioner market, and this doesn't come as a surprise since the manufacturer is Pioneer, which is a well-known company for their quality products. The Pioneer is an all-in-one ductless mini-split system, which means that it has air conditioning, heating, dehumidifying, and ventilation abilities for ensuring quality and effective cooling while keeping you as satisfied as possible. To be more precise, it has a cooling capacity of up to 12,000 BTU of power and heating capacity of up to 11,800 BTU, making it a really mighty performer. There are plenty of modes as well, such as cool, heat, dry, and fan only. But what makes it special is that there is an auto mode, which makes the air conditioner select a mode based on your set temperature. Moreover, you can also take an advantage of the programmable timer, which lets you turn the device on or off 7 hours in advance, so it will run only when you want it to. You can also take an advantage of the 3 fan speeds and the sleep function, so you can sleep without getting distracted by the noise. I want to mention that the air conditioner has an auto restart ability, which means that if there is a sudden power outage, it is going to remember the original settings, so when the power is restored, it will start performing like it did previously. But that's not all. The Pioneer works really quietly, but the outdoor unit is a bit noisy since it blows the air into your room, but this shouldn't be a huge problem. Overall, the Pioneer is definitely a great option for you due to its performance, quality, and durability, which are the key to using it for years without dealing with any problems. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If you wanna find out the price and more information about these air conditioners, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. And if you have any questions related to them, you can leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.